She's and a day early because I sure was worried. AliExpress, you will be getting my business again. You see this color? I don't know, maybe I'm just in like a burgundy-ish phase. I'm not gonna take my faux locks out yet, but I probably will in like a day or two. I want to see if I can put this wig on top of it, but I'm gonna show y'all when I actually install it because I just know it's gonna be so cute. See if I can get these under here. Ooh. We're just gonna tuck them in there. Like I said, not gluing down yet. I just want to put it on to see. Okay. Yes. It's like a scarlet burgundy. I'm not gonna tighten it or anything yet either. Oh. Maybe I should put it on. Oh yeah, it's tight with these locks. It's screaming. Oh. My other brush. It looks so bulky right now because it's not flat. Oh my gosh, look at, yes. Mind you, this is a 26-inch wig and it was $20. Okay, let me try to hold this under to see if it hide it a little better. I mean, this makes it look like one of them wigs. You know what kind I'm talking about. But if my hair is flat, like, I think this will be a cute install. I'm so excited. And this color eats. Like, I'm so happy it's here. Yo, look at the bounciness. We love to see it. Where did I order this from? And it's the fact that the pictures wasn't matching the reviews, so I wasn't sure if this was going to be the wig or not, but it is. Okay. Shipped. What store is it? Okay, so I ordered this from... Where's the store? Okay, I'm not saying the seller. Look what it look like. I know it's on here. It's gotta be. Okay. It says King Store. This is my first time ordering from them because the last wig I got was Blush Unique Factory Store. But yeah, she's cute. Oh my gosh. Ooh, okay, let me take the bed down so I can see how this hairline looks. Okay, pretty tight hairline. Oh, this would make a cute, like, half up, half down. Bruh. Oh yeah, I'm installing this like tomorrow. Bruh, this gonna be oh yeah, okay. Yep. I'm gonna be back later with this install because, yeah, got to. Okay, Okay, I wasn't planning on doing this install this fast, but got somewhere to be tomorrow, and I took my foot locks out. Really easy to take down, by the way. And I only got a little bit of lace glue because I hadn't planned on doing it, but you know, I'm gonna make it work. She's gonna be cute. I know. Okay, where's my cap? Some brown ponytail? Yeah, it's fine. Slick down my edges. I don't know how far up I want this. Because I really don't want to put glue on my hairline at all, but you know, every now and then it's okay. Stands out a little bit. So I could change the part up front a little bit, but not too much. I wouldn't be able to do a deep part. Deep side part. Oh shoot, is the back gonna be bulky? Probably should have put this ponytail flatter. It should be okay. So I can see better. Should I cut it before I glue it? Should I glue it then cut it? I'm gonna cut it before I glue it. I'm gonna cut this here. The ear part is always hard for me. I'm not professional, definitely amateur at this, but I'm just a girl that likes to switch it up, make it look cute. Okay, if I got this cap in the middle, you can see it. Okay, I'll put some makeup on myself. Hopefully this comes out how I need it to. If not, I'm gonna take it off. Oh, okay, that's too much glue. Put it on a little bit. Just don't want to get it too much in my edges. And it just always want to pop out. Don't ever want to stay. Want to be brushing the back with this. I've had this for so many years. Like 6+.
You help?
I should be okay, but if it don't come out how I need it to, I'll let you know. I will be requiring your assistance.
Just call my name.
Okay, baby. But if we give it MJ,
Black.
of course. What's shawty name in Tom Holland Spider-Man?
MJ.
Yeah, but her name is not Mary Jane.
No.
It's not Martha. Is it?
Nowhere near Martha.
What's her name? Michelle Jones. It's dead.
Want to close it?
Yeah, it's fine. I'll be there in a second. Okay, the layers dry pretty quickly and well. I put way too much glue and it takes forever to dry. Or it don't all the way and get clumpy. Now, is this the correct method at all? I can't tell you. I just put these things on any kind of way. But they don't be looking a mess, I hope. I don't know if people be using like a comb to spread this, but my comb be ended up sticky. I'd rather not. Bruh, it looked like it glow in the dark or something. Okay. Well, please let this come out. Please. Because I have a picture of how it should look in my head. But let's see. Didn't feel let the band sit for a second, but I'm finna go to bed. Let me not and mess it up. Okay, it's still a little whitish, so I'm gonna keep letting it dry. Normally I blow dry it, but I don't feel like going to get it. I'm just trying to hurry up. It's 10:37. And I want to watch some of my show. I've been watching the 4 seasons on Netflix. Call Me the Rainbow. The last season had me shit. Cause why did kill off Steve Carell like that? Nonetheless, it's been funny so far. Season 2. I want to finish the episode I started earlier because it'd be too much going on with them folks. Entirely too much. Okay, it's looking less white. It's this middle. That's where I put a little too much glue. It's tacky, but you can literally see it. I'd rather it be like clearish and visible. I honestly don't want to wait for it to dry all the way though. It's dried enough. Okay, don't be too long. Get this side. I hope it sticks in the right place. Okay. Should I band it first before I cut it? No. I haven't put on a wig in so long. The last one I ordered was had names, so I wouldn't have to install it. Actually, yeah, I'm just put the band on and wait. It's 20-30 minutes when I come back. Okay. No. Alright, let's see if I can cut this off. Hopefully I can. I'm just cut it and then come back. What she looking like? I will melt the lace tomorrow when I actually have to get ready. But to go to bed, this is fine. Ugh. I really do want to do like a half up, half down look. I'd eat. Did I put this too far on my forehead? Okay, I'm gonna have to move this back. My hair last started. No, because my edges are here. What do you think? Is that part gonna eat tomorrow? Okay, y'all. She's cute. I love her. Her name is Dinah. Can't tell you why, but she does shed a bit, and I've just been feeling random strands and pulling them out. It could be because I cut near the ears on both sides, so it could just be shedding from right there where I cut it. You know, hair getting loose, but I done lost a couple strands today. But she is gorgeous. Like this color in the sun. 8 down. So yeah, my husband loves it. I love it. It feels like an alter ego, something of the sort. But it's giving baddie. And I'm a cutie patootie. Oh, okay, see, look, we're shedding some hair right now. This is actually quite a bit. I don't know if you can see that. Let's do it against the wall. It's kind of a thick strand. So, she does shed. Hair is extremely soft. It doesn't feel like human hair, though. I think this is definitely synthetic. I gotta check just to be sure, but she sheds. So, there's that.
Give a little time for the child within you. Don't be afraid to be young and free.